we're going to get straight into this. I want to talk about the system, the family court system. Have you ever been chewed up and spat out by the family courts? You ever sat there in some cold, lifeless room while some overpaid and underinformed suit makes life-changing decisions about your kids based on a pack of lies? Yep, that's what they don't tell you. You walk in expecting justice, but what you get is bureaucratic butchery. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're done. Which is where we come in. We are the official Mackenzie Friends store, part of the Modern Family Law Help You group. And we are not just another Mackenzie Friend service. We're not here to fill out forms and pat you on the back and say, off you go, on your way. We go all in. We go all the way. We walk by your side with you. Because we know what you're up against. So what makes us different? The majority of the so-called family law professionals will charge you a fortune just to tell you what you already know. So you just follow the process. Just follow the process and stay calm, be respectful, and let the court decide. Mate, let me tell you something. That's not a strategy. That's a funeral for your parental rights. We don't just stand next to you. No. We make sure you walk into that courtroom like you own the place. With respect, obviously. We prepare you. We educate you on the law, your rights, your options, and your best moves. We strategize. We don't just tell you what might work. We tell you what will work, because we've seen it, we've done it, and we've walked out with the prizes. We fight with love, and that's something that very few people can do. If your ex is throwing false allegations at you, you make sure you don't just sit there like a deer in the headlights. We dismantle it with you, piece by piece. And here's the kicker. We actually care. Because this isn't just business for us. It's personal. Every single one of us has seen good fathers, good parents, ripped apart by a system that's built to break them. And we said, enough. And this is what we do. You come to us, we build your case like a fortress. You walk into the court, you're prepared. You walk in very prepared, confident, and ready. You get knocked down, we help you get back up again. You want your kids back? We show you how to fight with respect and win them back. And we don't stop there. Not just there, no. Not just at the courtroom. We support you in every part of your legal battle. So legal documentation, we help make sure it's flawless. Case law, we find every precedent that works in your favour. Emotional resilience, we guide you through the storm. Tactics that actually work. We teach you how to outmaneuver the nonsense. And if that means going up against barristers, social workers, CAFCAS officers, or even a biased judge, mate, we've got you. We're ready, because we know the truth matters. And we know you're not just fighting for yourself, you're fighting for your kids. And we'll show you how to fight with respect and love. It's one of the reasons why you should choose us, because we're not like anyone else. We're not a corporate machine that treats you like a case number. We're not some half-assed legal advisor who reads off a script. We're not here to bleed you dry and wish you good luck. We are here to fight for you like it's our own case. Because in a way, it is. We believe in justice. We believe in family. We believe that good parents should never be cut out of their children's lives. Providing it's safe, we will help make sure that you have your children in your life. And if that system wants to make it hard, then we make sure that you're ready for that fight harder. Are you ready to take control? If you're tired of feeling like the system's like stacked against you, you're not wrong. But you don't have to fight alone. Join us, work with us, and let us take back your role as a parent. Because when you walk into the courtroom with the right knowledge and the right preparation and the right support, you don't just survive, you thrive. Somewhere around this video is a link. Give it a click, make an appointment, or give me a call. Either one is cool. Stay strong.